Okay, let us continue with the class. Okay, next you write down mushroom poisoning. Next you write down mushroom poisoning. Mushroom poisoning. Write down the symptoms: burning of throat and stomach, burning of throat and stomach, burning of stomach and throat, throat, throat. Next you write pain in abdomen, pain in abdomen, pain in abdomen. Next you write vomiting and diarrhea, vomiting and diarrhea. These are some of the symptoms of mushroom poisoning. Okay, vomiting and diarrhea, DIARRHOEA, diarrhea, vomiting and diarrhea. Next you write urine may contain blood, urine may contain blood. That means there will be presence of blood in urine. Okay, urine may contain blood. Next you write cyanosis, CYANOSIS. Cyanosis means bluish coloration. Okay, your skin will become bluish in color. Cyanosis, comma, rapid pulse, RAPID, rapid pulse, PULSE, rapid pulse, rapid pulse, comma, headache, 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 comma, visual disturbance, visual disturbance, VISUAL, visual disturbance, DISTURBANC, visual disturbance. The last point you write down, coma, COMA. Ultimately, the patient, the person who have consumed a poisonous mushroom can either die or else the person might go to coma. Okay, COMA, coma. Coma means unconsciousness. Okay, when a person becomes totally unconsciousness for several days or months or years. Okay, so are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Okay, so this is also one type of poisonous mushroom. Okay, it is reddish in coloration. It is a wild mushroom. Okay, and this is very much poisonous. Okay, red in color. Okay, this is also one of a kind of poisonous mushroom. Okay, there are some mushrooms which are edible, but not all. Understand? See, what girl? No. Wait. Wait 1 minute. Are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
No, ma'am.
Look, wait. Now?
No. Yeah.
So this is an overview, like it has already been written here, overview of mushroom poisoning. Okay, you will see that there are some food type. Okay, scales or warts. These are the scales, round. This is a, like how will you detect a poisonous mushroom? Okay, these are scales or warts. These are also known as scales or warts that will be present on top of the, on the head of the mushroom or the cap. This is also known as the cap. And there will be these gills or pores where spores are produced. Okay, even in leaves. Okay, even in leaves, the leaves. Okay, there are also spores are present. Small food, small dots. Okay, so even here it will be present. and then annulus or ring. This is known as the annulus or the ring of the mushroom. Okay, and this is the stem, and the last part, this part which will be inside the soil, it is also known as volva. Okay, these are the remnants of universal veil. And this is a young mushroom, this is a matured mushroom. This is the cap. After becoming matured, it comes out to be like this. Okay, like the form, like an umbrella. Okay. So all these are interesting. You can even see it in Google for your own better understanding. Okay. Next, you write
Yes,
down
ma'am.
tobacco. Tobacco. Next, you write tobacco. Tobacco. Write down tobacco poisoning may occur due to excessive smoking. Tobacco poisoning may occur due to excessive smoking. SMOKING. Excessive smoking, comma, accidental swallowing or application of accidental swallowing or application of leaves, application of the tobacco leaves, okay, application of the leaves or juice to skin or wound. Leaves or juice to the, juice means not those apple mango juice, okay, tobacco juice. Sometimes it is also done accidentally by the children, okay. So we should always keep all these things far away from children. To skin or
Ma'am,
wound.
swallowing or application to,
Huh?
ma'am,
Accidental swallowing
swallowing or
or the
application to.
application of leaves, the tobacco
Okay.
leaves, okay,
Okay.
leaves, LEAVS, leaves, or juice, tobacco leaves or juice to skin or wound. To skin or wound, SKN, skin or wound. Symptoms you write down. Write down the symptoms. SYMPTOMS symptoms. Number 1, burning sensation in the mouth. Burning sensation in the mouth. MOUTH. Burning sensation in the mouth, comma, esophagus and stomach. Stomach. In the mouth, esophagus and the stomach. Esophagus and the stomach. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will happen? There will be burning sensation inside the mouth. Okay. And this is your esophagus, from where the food is swallowed into the stomach. So this whole mouth, your esophagus and your endoscope, okay, your esophagus, this is an endoscope, this is not for you, this is something else, this is for detecting any acids or anything inside the stomach. This is a procedure, okay, this endoscopy is a procedure, so don't see this. I'm just showing you the esophagus, and this is the stomach, okay. So these 3 parts will be affected because of tobacco, okay. Number 2, you write increased salivation. Increased salivation. Saliva means, what is saliva, Rohan? What is saliva? You don't know?
I know, but I can't put in words.
Are let me show you the screen then. Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is saliva. It's like a, what to say?
Yes.
This is saliva, okay? So there will be
Yes, ma'am.
increased salivation, like how normally we salivate, that is normal. But the person who takes tobacco, there will be like continuous dripping of saliva from their mouth. Okay, the saliva will just drip out from their mouth continuously because of increased salivation, because of intake of all this tobacco. Okay, smoking, and then this tobacco, this and that. Number next, you write visual and auditory disturbances. Visual and auditory disturbances. Visual disturbance means he won't be able to see visual things properly. Okay, visually his visual sight, his eyesight will be decreased, and also auditory means his hearing capacity will also decrease. Okay, visual and auditory disturbances. The last point you write rapid pulse and respiration. There will be an increased respiratory rate and also increased pulse rate, and you all know what is respiration, respiratory rate and pulse rate. Okay, so rapid pulse and respiration more than the normal. Okay, rapid pulse and respiration. Rapid pulse and respiration. Then you write, next you write drugs, 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 drugs. Write down phenobarbital, phenobarbital, phenobarbital. These are the names of drugs. Okay, phenobarbital, barbital, phenobarbital, phenobarbital. Then you write comma, no comma no need, full stop you write, full stop. In bracket you write down, it is a drug used for, it is a drug used for anxiety, anxiety, used for anxiety. It is a drug used for anxiety, anxiety, anxiety or tension, tension, anxiety or tension, comma, insomnia, 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 insomnia. That is, in bracket you write inability to sleep. A person who is not able to sleep properly at night. Okay, at night time we all want a sound sleep at night. After the whole day work, we all want to sleep tight at night, but there are some people who are not able to sleep properly. Why? Because of the intake of all these drugs. There are many other drugs. Okay, I won't give you those names. Next you write down the symptoms. Symptoms you write, what will be the symptoms? Euphoria. Number one is euphoria, 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 euphoria. What is euphoria? Sachi, phobia. I already told you. What is euphoria? Sachi. Say fast. Srijana, you say?
Yes, ma'am.
What is euphoria?
Intense happiness.
Yes, intense happiness or excitement is known as euphoria. Okay, very good. Next you write, the second point you write, talkativeness. 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 Talkativeness means the person will talk a lot. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, nonsense things. Talkativeness. Some people are already talkative. That is something else. Into after taking all these drugs, whenever they spill out the things that are not required, ulta fulta, okay, this and that, then that talkativeness again different. Okay, some people are silent, some people are some people are quiet, some people are talkative, some people are medium, not neither talkative nor too much silent. So all these things are different kinds of people. But after consummation of all these drugs, some people talk things that are useless and like it's not up to mark. Okay, so all these talkativeness are not normal, these are abnormal. Next you write headache, H-E-A-D-A-C-H-E. There will be intense headache. Okay, the person will feel intense headache. Then you write desire to sleep. He or she will always feel like sleeping. Okay, the whole day also the person can sleep. Sometimes they can sleep for 2-3 days and they won't even know. Acha 2-3 din ho gaya. They will be like that. Why? Because of the overconsumption of drugs. They don't even know that they have been sleeping since 2-3 days or 1 week. They don't even know that. Okay, desire to sleep. Next you write metal poisoning. The last one, not the last one. Write down metal poisoning. Metal poisoning. Metal poisoning, write down lead, L-E-A-D, lead. L-E-A-D, lead. Symptoms you write. Lead is a metal, okay? L-E-A-D, lead. Symptoms you write down. Metallic taste in the mouth. Metallic taste in the mouth. Metallic taste in the mouth. In the mouth. Number second point, nausea and abdominal pain. Nausea and abdominal pain, PN pain. Abdominal pain, okay, there will be feeling of vomiting and also there will be pain in the stomach or pain in the abdomen. Okay, next point you write down vomiting, V-O-M-I-T-I-N-G, vomiting. Next you write stools may be, next point number 4, stool, S-T-O-O-L-S, stools may be bloody dark in color. That means the color of your stool, of the stool, will be very much dark, and that also it will be dark blood color. Okay, the color of the reddish color will be too much dark. Okay, bloody dark in color. Next you write headache, H-E-A-D-A-C-H, headache. Headache, comma, drowsiness, D-R-O-W-S-I-N-E-S-S, drowsiness, D-R-O-W-S-I-N-E-S-S, drowsiness. Write down. Drowsiness means, in bracket you write down sleepiness, means the person will feel too much sleepy. Okay, while taking class also the person might feel sleepy, just like that. Or the main cause of all these drugs, metal poisoning and this and that are like the person feels too much sleepy. Okay, intense sleepiness. Next you write down last point, in chronic poisoning, comma, in chronic poisoning, in chronic poisoning, comma, a blue line is seen on gums. A blue line is seen on the gums, G-U-M-S. Okay. Okay. So this is all about your poisoning. Okay, food poisoning is also there, but I have already given the topic in your seminar, so it will be enough. Okay, in the next class, we will discuss with a new unit. Okay, poisoning is over. Okay, you please give me the attendance, okay, of both the sections A and B. Okay then, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mm.